I'm a man of my word. And ang reason talaga na hindi ako nag-undang ng school or hindi pa ako nag-give up on my educational in MMA is because I've made a promise with my tita who's been providing me since high school din. Like she's helping me with my tuition fees. Na Kian, graduate ka Kian. So yun, in my mind na she invested a lot on me and I don't want to disappoint her in a sense na parang tita ay mag-undang na akong eskwela kanya like all the payments na gigasto niya parang ayaw ko ma-feel niya na ma-waste ba. So me personally gusto na gigmundang pero because of my word for it na tita promise mag-graduate gid ko humanon gid ako. So mo to like in my mind mo to motivational ako to fulfill my promise. Yeah, I mean, dili gid siya align for my path or my intention with life. Pero I've made a promise kasi. And I won't break it because dami ng investment ng tita ko with me. So, it's my way of saying thanks to her as well.